Yo, they looking. Depth now, ready. Walk northwest. Walk northwest. Try to them. Ready. Deep northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest now. Hit. Oh, yeah. Depth. I need heals. Walk. Keep bashing. Careful, they might hit me. Yeah, I need guards up front.
They have which rock bomb?
They going to you, okay?
No, nakatingin
They
sa
going to you, 70s.
Man natitira pa rin dito. Ingat kayo.
You already hitting this tank in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this tank. After the clerical, kill this guy. Ready, catch him.
Invivam nila no sa ano, second floor.
Returning to your side.
Okay,
Nakita ko.
they're turning to you, okay? 70s careful.
Zoro, saan kayo nagbabash?
Sa southeast.
Copy.
You already, they looking.
Backshot niya yung shots.
They looking. Yo, depth now, front.
Rip flame.
Yo, hold. Just hold. Keep bashing. You ready. Yeah, they look going to you, okay? You ready? Deep northwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest now. Hit. Nice hit, boys. Come here. Come southeast. Out southeast. Depth now. Pass. Full depth. Full depth. Yo, go inside. Proper pass. Tight hold them. 5 seconds. Tight hold them. Full depth now. Walk in. Pass now. Ready. Deep northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest now. On me. On the gate. Hit the gate. Keep bashing. They might go to you, okay? Regain, come back. Keep bashing here. I need heals up front, guys. Go inside. Kill the guards. Now they here. Depth now. That's a fake. Careful. They looking, okay? Yeah. Hit the gate now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full depth now. Headbutt. Yeah, keep smashing, bro. They here. On us, okay? They're going now to you. Keep rolling side you. They're looking.
Uli yung rip flame.
Careful on the west.
Keep bashing. Depth. Nice. Keep bashing, guys. Keep bashing.
10%.
Yo, stuck on me. Deep northwest in 5, 4, 3. By the wall now. Hit by the wall. Hit. Come back now. Full depth. Depth. Bro inside you. Come southeast. Depth now. Bump. Pass. Nice. We soak. Bam. Nice. Walk west.
Listen Zoro.
Ready. Deep west now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep west now. On the gate. Everyone. Full engage. I need this. Keep bashing here. Hug the wall southeast.
Inching.
Now they looking. I need this. Come up. Yo. They're looking.
Bam.
Take over first.
Hold. Stabilize, boys. Stabilize. Inch up west. Find the shield. We're going to engage shallow on the gate. In 5. On the gate in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. On the gate now. Hit this shit. Good kill, boy. Good kill. Okay, stabilize. Hug the wall southeast. Keep bashing southwest. Only D-tanks with clerical will bash southwest, okay? Only D-tanks with clerical bash southwest. Keep bashing. Okay, ready to walk in. Okay, walk in, boys. Walk in, boys. Walk in. Keep walking west. Okay, we're going to hit west. Directly west, boys. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now. Hit this shit. Then the full def now. Full def. Keep rolling, boys. Push, boys. Huwag kayong matakot. Keep pushing west. Hello? Keep pushing west. Oh, we're going to hit on the choke. North in 5. North in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. North now. Hit the shit. Then push through. Northwest, boys. Keep pushing through. Push through, boys. Keep pushing through. Northwest and northeast. Push through. Go to the Lord room. Keep pushing through. Wala na to, boys. Keep pushing through. Brawl. Come northwest. Oh, we're going to engage. Shallow. On the stairs in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the stairs now. Hit this shit. Hello, northwest. Drop damage, E. Drop your east.
Nice,
Then
nice.
keep rolling. Spread
Yo,
and
they
brawl.
still have regears, okay?
Spread and brawl. Left.
Rigor sila.
Spread and brawl, boys. Spread and brawl. Spread and brawl.
Most the guards, most the guards, most the
Spread and
guards.
brawl. Okay, hold. Keep flipping. Start flipping. Kill the guards. Kill the guards.
Yo.
Kill the guards. Party 1 and party 2, kill the guards. Kill the
Clean
guards.
up, clean up.
Hit the gate in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1.
Running southeast. Cast them.
Ano
Dito na ako, nandito na ako.
Focus ba ako, Kap?
Fantasy Bar nasa SSR.
You ready? Dito na ako. Kill the guy sa deer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just kill the guy.
Perma 6.3.
Zoro, gusto mo bang...
Kill this guy.
SSR.
7 man lang tong SSR.
Loot up.
Party 2, let's go
Kill the
SSR.
guards. Party 2, clean up the guards.
Nag-inveil lang to LGLC. Nag-inveil lang to GLC.
Zoro,
Yo.
gusto mo i-protect-
Kill the guards.
SSR?
East side GLC. East
Kill
side.
the guards, guys. Kill the guards.
Zoro, SSR.
Under attack ang SSR ha, under attack.
Going SSR,
Yeah.
party 2, we go SSR. Now, fast.
Pwede nga Kestrel tapos ikakap ko na lang. Or... Okay.
Party 2, again, party 2 SSR, we go SSR.
Flip this pass.
7 man lang to. Kaya niya to. Tapos naka T7 lang.
Teka, paano ko dadaan ng SSR nang hindi ako
Mo na lang. Walang gate.
Hindi ako
Yeah.
dadaan.
7
Yo,
man lang.
Danera, if you're going to, we go cross, and then we go gap. We go cross, and then we go gap. We
Okay,
cannot zone in MR, we are
Yo.
outload.
Everyone, come northwest. 1 ditang stand on this.
May mga immortal na din dito na iba.
Saan? MR or...
SSR. Apat pa lang
SSR.
nakikita ako sa ngayon.
Bro. We go SSR. They going SSR now, okay?
Apat pa lang naman nakikita ako. Nag-bash din sila. May blob na.
Yung may mga loot guys, dipo nyo muna sa may outlet dito.
Come northeast, party 2.
So those who have loot, dipo muna. Wag ko kayo pumunta.
Yo, everyone go MR. We go SSR.
Oo nga, SSR na
Outload kayo, ha?
dumadami na sila
Outload
Outlaw yan
kayo.
Zoro. Hindi yan makakapasok lahat. Northeast na kami manggagaling yung iba. Ikot kami.
dito. Dami na nila dito.
Makaka-zone kaya.
Ilang gate na sila?
Yabot yan.
Second gate na. Yung immortal.
Bakit yan? Basag na
Ito,
yan.
bukas na yun sa loob eh. Ito yung fantasy bar. Level 15 na dito immortal.
Gigi.
Lumalapit na.
Everyone, go to MR. Hold northeast of
Loob na.
MR. Okay?
Makakap nila to. Bago kayo
Tengo ng
dumating.
outlaw, Vinsert. Pareho lang eh. 1 minute. Less than 1 minute.
Kaya to. Madami tayo.
Tapakan na lang kung sino mo una doon. Tapakan na lang yung Lord.
Ako
Hindi,
pwede
mga
mag-sacrifice.
Wala, 1 minute pa yung ano eh.
Cards. Shit, maglo-load na.
Kaya pa to i-rush. Not yet. They still clearing.
Nakaping na.
Decapping now. Okay. We can still we can
Level
still get
90.
it. We have time. Yo, zone now. Everyone. Come SSR. Make sure you have bombers, okay?
Sobrang lag ng...
Sino na iwan sa ano?
Papalit ako dyan. Ako naman sa Gpas. Mag-scout ko lang.
Ano na ako dun. Bye guys. 1 minute.
Okay. Kundi, content na lang to.
Eh, kung mababasag agad natin yun, ano kaya?
May naiwan ka sa ano, G-Pass? Papapabuksan mo na ba?
Si Lebron, pupunta daw doon.
Sabay ako Gpas.
Kaya declaim it now, bro. You bash northwest, we bash northeast, okay? Yeah,
Ay,
maybe.
open nila ha. Agad.
Let's bash fast so we can get it.
Ba't wala akong extra food, Hino?
20 seconds.
Dismounted.
Bye.
Lumalabas sila.
They're going out. Just bash.
10 seconds.
Ano lowest HP ng gate?
Okay.
Plus 50%. Hindi yan.
Spread.
Careful, okay? We're going now there.
Yo,
Come to the blob, guys.
Gpas.
Yo, they went back in.
Come to the blob. Everyone come SR now.
Open ko na tong G-Pass.
Tumakbo sila papunta ka.
Yeah, they go inside again.
Open na yung northwest side by the way.
Yo, this one's so. Come northwest, come northwest. We go northwest is...
Open na, naka-open na.
Open na,
Open na.
Okay,
Ang
we
nag-loot,
just cast them here. Okay, we fight them here. Yeah,
Zizo.
bash southeast.
Dep.
SE, help. Puche, go see. Yo, you ready? Def now. We here. Bash. We don't let them leave, okay? Bash southeast, guys. They looking.
ZZUO yung loot na kasi.
ZZUO.
Don't let them leave. They might run. Yeah, they're going north now.
J28 sila.
Lipat ba kami dun sa kabila?
Yeah.
Nag-lock sila sa north side, Zor.
They looking north, okay?
Nasa north side na sila.
Goran, Hoshi. Go run.
Go run, Hoshi-san.
Nag-OC sila.
Hoshi-san.
Di OC.
Hug the wall southeast. Careful over the wall.
Looking.
They looking.
They went back.
They went back.
42, you're lost na.
Nasa courtyard
Kill the
sila.
guards.
Courtyard.
Careful, okay? Kill the guards.
Nakakalabas ata sila sa north side, ha? Weak yung
Hindi.
defense
Nandito yung
namin.
rest. Nandito yung rest.
Keep bashing.
Lipat na nga.
Bash.
Courtyard pa rin sila.
Bash,
AS
bash,
bumalik
bash.
sa ano, sa Lord Room.
Bash, guys. Come southeast. Bash. Careful, okay?
They went back in the castle.
Sino to? Nidal.
On this hodge. Ready? In 5, 4,
Yo, bam,
3,
southeast, bam.
Hindi coming.
Careful. Walk. We're inside, okay? Walk.
Engaging.
Oh, no. That's a fake. Kill the guards. Yo, ready. Walk northwest. Walk northwest. Ready. Deep northwest. In
Sa akin
5.
yung ano, bomb.
Inside us now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything sides now. Hit now. Hit.
Stairs.
Come southeast.
Hold up.
Come southeast. Southeast.
Kabilang gate
Southeast.
sila.
Go inside. Go inside.
Over the wall, ingat.
Cast them northwest.
Still northwest. Pull down.
Ready. Careful.
Over the wall, looking. Ingat. Be
Careful over the wall. Yo, dep now. Ready. Deep northwest on the gate now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now. Hit the gate.
Castle is banded by the way.
Nabam yung dump.
Kill the guards. Yo, click the gate now. Everyone click the gate. Click the gate. Try to hold them. Bro, inside you. Upper pass ready, okay? Upper pass ready. Hold them.
Engaging now.
Nice. Everything southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Everyone here. Hit.
Most
Kill
of
the
them are
guards.
outside, ha?
Kill here. Keep healing. Look for lows. Kill. Push southeast.
Mount up na yung mga nasa likod.
Push
Tatakbuhan na to.
southeast.
Mount up yung ano. Naka-envy ah. Ingat kayo. Magkakahit pa yan. Be careful. Hanapin yung pinakamahal.
Come southwest. Go back inside.
Sana all mahal.
Dahil pang Gucci sa labas.
Catch all the reds. Mount up, we don't see reds.
One guy down.
Lugo ka, Danera. Lugo ka.
Gago, mamamatay
No, Danera, you're dead.
What
Ping.
the
You're
fuck?
chasing ping.
Mob, bro. Holy shit.
Epic fail ng putik. Ginagawa mo din.
Kill the guards.
Kanina ka pa dapat nag-cleric to.
Come kanan.
Lalot
Flip
na
here.
yan mostly.
Buksan mo na lane.
Di pa binubos. Di pa si Skito, si Gasparin.
Di na
pa
full
binubuksan eh.
Pin na paano yun?
Kill the healer.
Hintay kayo.
Oh, maximum profit.
Hindi, gumalaw siya kanina. Pinikutan lang ako.
I will die here.
Wala ba sila binan?
Wala pa namang kalaban. I-scut ko yung bongay.
Get ready. You will hit.
Kill the guards here.
Gago di ko ako nasalit.
Baka mamaya kasi dumiretso sila dyan kapag nag-regret sila.
You ready? Get the guards in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get the guards.
Saka ko bubuksan pag may block.
Kill the guards northeast.
Epic si Dino. Epic fail.
Hindi
Hindi ka sana mag-i-regarding.
Kasi nakagulim kasi ako, pre.
Putik yan.
Gulim mo.
Hindi ka sana magre-regard, boss.
Yan nga.
Puno siya sa mobs eh.
Yan ang spike, boss. Danero versus the mob.
Yung sinasabi niya. Kasama niya ba yun o sa atin?
Hindi ko alam. May namatay ba sa atin dun?
Ewan ko.
Nung nag-look back, guys, a long way.
Feeling ko
Namatayan
sa
ba
kanya
tayo?
na naman yun.
May namatay
Wala.
dun.
Sila alamat.
Sila ata yun. Kaya nag-iiyak-iyak na naman.
Yung nag-look back ba dun sa south side?
Buyo ko dun, nakapagpats ako
Oo.
dun. Kitang-kita.
Pag narinig ako ng salita nun, GG ako eh.
Hindi yung nag-look back dito sa ano.
Alamat,
Isa lang naman namatay dito.
Malidaan mo dun, alamat.
Baka
Isang-
nasimot lang yung ano.
Isang ano lang oh, isang dead body lang.
Yo, put your boots on courier. Loot this fast. Loot this fast. Loot this fast. Loot this fast.
Pasabot.
Sabi ko na yung pag-alabas nila pang delay lang.
Na-invi bang ko.
Loot that fast, then hold southeast.
Nabuksan na.
Nabuksan.
Hindi ako nakapindot.
May naka-in-B? Tapas?
Bakit di pa bubukas yan?
Hindi
Di
ko
ba
binubuksan this game.
Kago.
Ito yun, oh.
Hold southeast, guys. Hold.
Baka nang didetect ko na naman si Ski.
Yo, zone na.
Kala niya siguro maraming namatay dun. Isa lang naman eh.
Feeling ko sa kanya yun namatay.
Hindi, walang patay na katawan. So wala ding namatay sa kanila.
Wala, nanguhula-hula lang kasi yan eh.
Kala niya siguro
Basta may malaking puti sa HP bar, patay na daw agad.
Kala niya kasi pag 1 HP patayin eh. Bawal na i-heal.
Biglang umaangat yung buhay.
Zone to MR, guys. We will go straight to G-Pass.
Hindi kaya okay, Joro, kung nag-ano pala tayo.
Get all your loots, get all your sets.
Kung nag-hold tayo doon.
Binalikan pa siya
Bro?
ng Clarent eh.
Yeah, we're going now. Okay.
Natawa siguro yung
Everyone go
Clarent.
G-Pass.
Ano din.
Sino
Ah,
si On?
may nag-message sa akin, 1v1 immortal. Lol.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, bro.
Pistol na namatay dun eh. Si On 9 Meow. Sa south side. Siya lang yung isa namatay.